Hello, I'm Eugenie Scott. February 12th, 1809 was the birthday of a very remarkable human being, Abraham Lincoln. February 12th, 1809 was also the birthday of another remarkable human being, Charles Darwin. Now, everybody knows that we celebrate Abraham Lincoln's birthday on President's Day, but there are a lot of scientists who celebrate Darwin's birthday on February 12th. I'm going to be talking on February 9th, which is a little bit early for Darwin's birthday, I guess, about Charles Darwin. There's going to be a little bit of science in there. There's going to be a little history in there. And I'm going to try to discourage people from certain misconceptions that many people have about Charles Darwin. A big one being that it was the discovery of natural selection that caused him to abandon his religious faith. I think you're going to find that the truth is a great deal more complicated and nuanced and interesting than the myth. So join me on February 9 for Darwin, science, religion, and history. See you then.